Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Riz. Today we're doing a barbecue indoors in this kitchen on this cooker. Right, you're probably wondering how I'm going to do this. This, guys, is Japanese charcoal, sumi charcoal. Dates back to 1603, discovered by the emperors. It's essentially Japanese oak wood, but the good thing is it doesn't smoke. So there's going to be no smoke, no smell, okay? It's going to be magic. You can buy this online anywhere, okay? Go on Google, put sumi charcoal, click shopping, and you'll find it. It's not expensive, about £3 a kilo. I'm going to put a link for this in the comment section below so you can find it. Amazon, anywhere on Google, you'll find this stuff, okay? So we're making chicken tikka, nice and easy. I've got 1 kg chicken breast. I've got a tablespoon of salt, some mustard, tablespoon, 1 lemon, a dash of soya sauce, and 100 ml of single cream. So I'm going to start by adding this to the chicken. Right, once we've got these in, I'm just going to give it a good mix. Leave that to settle for about 5 minutes because I want the cream to get soaked well into that chicken. And then we'll go over to step 2 and add the rest of the ingredients. Step 2, I've got over here a tablespoon of onion. I've blended that onion. Tablespoon of freshly blended green chilies. Tablespoon of coriander, fresh, ground. Stick it all in a blender, it's much easier. And mint, fresh mint, tablespoon. Tablespoon of ginger, tablespoon of garlic. And finally, teaspoon of red chili powder and teaspoon of paprika. I've only used 2 spices in this, paprika and red chili powder, as you've seen, okay? I'm not putting any cumin in here, no dry coriander, not needed. So I've only used the red chili and the paprika just to give me the color. So if you come closer, you see that's picking up a nice red color now. I'll have a nice moist mixture here, hence the reason for not putting too many spices, not needed. Using all fresh ingredients. Once that's in goes the yogurt, 100 grams. Give that a good mix. Once we've given that a mix, I've got olive oil there, 100 ml. Last thing to go in. That yogurt, that cream, and the oil is going to get soaked up. So ideally, you want to put this aside for at least an hour. I would personally put it away for 24 hours. If you want it really perfect and crisp, I would say 24 hours, but I don't have time here. So I'm going to crack on and show you the next step. The way to light this charcoal, very easy, straight on, okay? Onto your gas cooker. Now, if you don't have a gas cooker, if you've got an electric cooker, get yourself a little blowtorch. Any hardware store, costs £5, small blowtorch. And again, same method. You can put it in a pan and just blowtorch that charcoal until it's white hot, okay? It won't smoke. Again, as you can see, wait till it's white hot and keep turning it until it's ready. So now I'm gonna skewer these up. I've got 18 pieces in here, so roughly 50 to 60 grams a piece. So best way to skewer is lengthwise, not widthwise, because it's easier to turn them. Squash them together because they work out more juicier, okay? Don't leave any spaces between them. Guys, first time ever, chicken tikka in the kitchen on charcoal. Let's see how this goes. Look at that. Now you're probably wondering why I've got this hairdryer here. If that heat starts dying, I'm gonna go straight in with this hairdryer, give it a blow, okay? Don't even know how to use it. Right, that's piping hot. Now what you have to remember is, not just a kitchen, you can do this anywhere. You can do this in your bedroom if you wanted to, okay? Go to the beach, again, might have a problem trying to light that sumi charcoal, but if you've got a blowtorch, you can, right? So it's essentially a mobile barbecue. Look at it. If the heat dies down, okay, you feel like the heat's not strong enough, get a hairdryer, give it a little blast with air, and that'll make the charcoal glow again. Another hack. Cooking time depends on the size of your cubes. Like I said, my cubes are 50 to 60 grams, okay? Smaller cubes won't give you the juiciness, but I recommend at least 8 minutes aside. But keep constantly turning it every 2 or 3 minutes. Sizzling away, homemade indoor barbecue, weatherproof, COVID-proof, number-proof. You don't need 10, 20 people to do a barbecue. If it's just a couple or 3 of you, there we go. You've got a barbecue for 3 people, effortless. I know what you're probably thinking, how do I know it's cooked? So come closer. You see that bit of milk in this? Again, look, a flame's come up. I'm just gonna blow it out, okay? Easy as that. You see that milkiness there? When the chicken's about 60% cooked, it'll milk like that, okay? The chicken will start separating, can you see? I'll squash it together. As it cooks, it shrinks because it loses moisture, okay? Once you start seeing small gaps in it, it's done. We're ready to go. Now, you can serve this with a mint chutney, put in a pita bread, fresh naan, as you like. Now, that's a life hack you need to remember. Right, let's give this a go. So I'll pull a piece off from here, just so you guys can see. Right, come in nice and close now. Just look how juicy and tender this is. Look at that, crispy white inside, and yet crispy on the outside. Amazing. Piping hot. Thank you for watching, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. See you next time. Bye.